Greetings, today I am installing the brand new LED H11 Mini Fog light upgrade on my Focus RS from Autobeam. Well, this is it, the brand new version of the performance LED fog light upgrade from Autobeam, and it looks absolutely fantastic. The housing definitely looks like it's going to fit on the RS. If I set it down here, I just so happen to have the old version, which if I set it down beside it, you can see just how much more compact the new version is, and that's just awesome. It has a longer thing. I think the controller for the fan and stuff is in this separate wee box now, which is really cool. So let's get to the car and get it installed. Alright, first thing we've got to do is remove the plastic bezel. It's just a case of getting a grip and pulling slightly towards yourself, slightly towards the inward of the car. So now that's off, you can see those clips. They're not like super duper big clips, they just come right off. They're just in those like sort of slotted grooves. Alright, next thing then we need to remove this little screw here, which is a T25 Torx. Alright, now we'd have to press these like plasticky tabs at the side, and that will release the housing of the fog light. Now don't just rip it out because we are connected here. At this point we can press the little electrical connection and pull it out. Like so. You can see that these are the little clips that we were just pushing inward to release. Okay, now we remove the stock bulb by gripping, twisting anti-clockwise, and then carefully removing. Okay, now we get our new Autobeam unit. We line up the notches here with the right sized notches on here. You can see that one's a little smaller, that one's a little bigger, for example. So it pops in clockwise to lock, like so. So it looks real nice in there, but too bad it's behind the little reflector. You're never really going to see it, but it does look real nice. Okay, now we connect up our connector. Now you'll see that there's a plus and a minus here for positive and negative, and you can see that the brown wire, which is your positive wire, is going in this side, so you want to put it in this way around. And it'll click in whenever it's in there. Now we'll feed the electrics back into no man's land here. Okay, so then once that's in there, we'll line this up. Just our clippy things at the side. Our hole up here. Give it a push, and it will slide into place. Alright, before we go any further, you can hear I've fired up the engine. I'm just going to test out that it works. So I've got my assistant in there, ready to go. Oh, yep, it works beautifully. Okay, now we've confirmed it works. We put our screw back in. Don't over tighten. And now all we need to do is put our bezel back on. Cool, so now all we got to do is repeat on the other side. Before we do the other side, you can see stock versus Autobeam, just completely different in every way pretty much. But yeah, these are going to be awesome. Well, there we go, that is the installation complete of the brand new fog light upgrade from Autobeam on the Focus RS, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm sure you will agree. The colour of the light is just so brilliant and white compared to the stock, which is more of a yellowy colour. The brightness is so much better as well. It's going to keep you safe in foggy conditions, that's for sure. So I hope you like that. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.